Till now, we have learned how generative AI works, how to talk to it properly, and how to use prompts in real life. Now comes a very practical question. Which AI tools should you actually use? There are hundreds of AI tools available today, and new ones appear every week. But the truth is, most students and professionals only need a few core tools to get real value. In this video, we will talk about 4 important generative AI tools that almost everyone should know. ChatGPT, Copilot, Perplexity, and Notion AI. No marketing. No hype. Only realistic usage. Understanding AI concepts is important, but tools are what you actually use every day. Tools decide how fast you work, how clearly you think, and how efficiently you learn. Just like calculators or Google, you don't need all tools. You need the right ones. Let us start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most widely used generative AI tools today. Its biggest strength is flexibility. You can use it to explain concepts, write drafts, brainstorm ideas, debug code, and learn new topics. For students, ChatGPT works like a study partner, a doubt solver, and a writing assistant. For professionals, it works like a thinking assistant, a drafting helper, and a problem explainer. One important thing to understand is that ChatGPT is not best at searching the internet. It is best at reasoning, explaining, and generating text. When you give it proper context and ask follow-up questions, it becomes very powerful. A common mistake people make with ChatGPT is asking very short and vague questions. That usually leads to average answers. ChatGPT works best when you explain your goal, give context, and treat it like a conversation instead of a one-time question. Now let us talk about Copilot. Copilot is mainly designed for coding and technical work. It is especially useful for developers and engineering students. Copilot works directly inside your code editor and suggests code as you type. It can suggest lines of code, functions, logic patterns, and even comments. You can think of Copilot as advanced autocomplete or a coding partner sitting next to you. For beginners, Copilot helps you learn coding patterns and reduces syntax errors. For professionals, it speeds up development and reduces repetitive work. However, Copilot does not understand your entire project or business logic. You must always review what it suggests. Blindly copying code can create problems later. Now let us move to Perplexity. Perplexity is different from ChatGPT. Its main strength is combining AI with real-time search. When you ask a question in Perplexity, it searches the web, summarizes information, and shows sources. This makes it very useful for research, current topics, fact-based questions, and quick overviews. Students can use Perplexity for research assignments and understanding new topics. Professionals can use it for market research, trend analysis, and quick factual checks. When accuracy and sources matter, Perplexity is often a better choice. Now let us talk about Notion AI. Notion AI works inside Notion and is focused on organizing and improving your own content. You can use Notion AI to summarize notes, rewrite text, generate task lists, organize ideas, and improve documentation. For students, it is useful for class notes, study planning, and project organization. For professionals, it helps with meeting notes, documentation, and planning workflows. Notion AI is especially powerful when you already have content and want to structure or refine it. It is less about asking random questions and more about improving what you already wrote. Now an important question is whether you need all these tools. The answer is no, you should choose tools based on the task you are doing. For thinking and explaining, ChatGPT works best. For writing and debugging code, Copilot is useful. For research and fact-checking, Perplexity is a better choice. For notes and organization, Notion AI is very effective. Trying to use one tool for everything usually leads to frustration. There are also some common mistakes people make while using AI tools. One mistake is using tools blindly without thinking. Another is copy-pasting outputs without understanding them. A third mistake is constantly switching tools instead of mastering one. AI tools are meant to amplify your thinking, not replace it. Let us summarize clearly. ChatGPT is a general-purpose AI assistant. Copilot helps with coding and development. Perplexity combines AI with real-time search. Notion AI helps organize and improve your own content. You do not need every AI tool available. You only need the right tool for the right task. In the next video, we will talk about the mistakes people make while using AI and how AI dependency can harm learning and skills. Understanding limits is just as important as understanding capabilities.